Hey guys, welcome back to Creative Java Programming. In today's session, we are going to discuss about how we can create first project in Java on IntelliJ IDEA. So first launch your IntelliJ IDEA. So here IntelliJ IDEA is launching now, right? So how we can create project? So when you will open first time your IntelliJ IDEA, then this window will appear, right? Project, customize, plugins, learn, right? Welcome to IntelliJ IDEA. So how you can create a new project in IntelliJ IDEA? So here there is one icon plus create a new project. Click on that. Here you can see it's showing new project Java, Kotlin, Groovy, empty projects, right? So I am going to create Java project, first project. So let's give project name my first project, right? And give location where you want to save your project. So go to here location directory and here in which drive you want to save your programs. So I want to save in my F drive. So I will create a new folder. So how you can create new folder? Here you can see there is an icon new directory. So click on that. Enter a folder name Java project. Click on OK. Select the folder. Click on OK. Right, and build system using IntelliJ IDEA. Here you can edit a sample code, generate code with onboarding themes, untick on that. No need for that. Here is by default is taking JDK 17. Right, so we can set up our JDK path with JDK 1.8 or latest version, that is JDK 23. So let's move on to JDK 7. Here you can build system. Select here IntelliJ JDK 70 by default is taking. So just click on create button, and now here you can see our first project is created, right? So after creating project, where we have to go? We have to go SRC folder, right? Select SRC folder, click on new and create a package. What do you mean by package? Package means folder, right? Where we have to save our programs, right? So give package name any. I'm giving package name CJP, Creative Java Programming. Select, go to new, select here Java class. Give class name like demo. Class name is demo, right? Here now class is created. So let's create a main method. Type MA, press enter. Main method is created, right? So let's create SOP. SOUT. Press enter. Now system.out.println is created, right? Let's pass the message. Welcome to Creative Java Programming. Save the program. So to run this program, here current file you can see, and there is a one icon. So click on that, or you can also press Shift F10 and you can directly run the program. So I am going to click on this button. Click on that. So here you can see it's giving me output welcome to Creative Java Programming, right? So that's all guys in today's session. Bye bye, take care. Thanks for watching.